Hope you're doing well today. This is a follow-up video to one I did earlier on Zoysia, not bagging it, and I wanted to follow up a few weeks later. It's a little windy out today, but I'm going to show you. I have let this Zoysia, which is Palisades. This is out in a pasture area I have. This is over about a 5 to 6 year period. This Zoysia that I just throw out has completely taken over an entire pasture area. This is seed. You can see here, hopefully see the darker ends. That's all Zoysia that's headed out. That's literally hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of seed just in this section alone. Now here's the seed. You can see what it does. It just crumbles up and there is a ton of seed. Every single top here is seed. My reason for showing you this is I'm going to go cut this tomorrow, and all I'm going to do is just strew this out back and forth. I usually go in one direction, pushing it to the outside, but at this point it's middle of April, middle Georgia. This seed will get down in the ground, won't have to do anything to it, and it'll start to germinate over the next several months. Given some water. But you can see this is Zoysia that is not sod at all. It has just completely taken over because I've continued to cut it out. Entire pasture area that is nothing but Zoysia. Zoysia, you can see there's really no weeds in this whatsoever. This Zoysia, it comes to life earlier than the weeds do here in the south. See, this is all seed, it germinates, gets really thick, and then just blocks out all of the weeds. Every now and then you'll get a little bit of weed, you know, if it's lucky and it's thin. But the more seed that gets spread out, that's why I say do not bag this and throw it away. Always mulch it back down into the ground, no matter what people say. So, hey, that's a quick tip for today. I just wanted to follow out and show you what it looks like when Zoysia heads out. I've left it for about 2 weeks out in the pasture area, but gonna cut it tomorrow, and I'm gonna spread another, couple $1,000 worth of seed for free, and you should do the same. Okay, see you next time. If you like, subscribe. God bless.